Hello guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your wallpaper on iPhone. Is that you want to open your settings, and once you open your settings, you want to scroll up a little bit, and then you want to tap on wallpaper. So once you come to this page, you need to click on add new wallpaper, tap on that. So basically, here, you're going to see a lot of collections of different types of wallpapers. You can choose between the featured right here, or you can actually scroll up a little bit, and then you can choose between the weather and astronomy. You can choose between the unity, pride emoji type. So basically, there's a lot right here, guys. You can actually choose right here. So basically, let's say you've actually found a type of wallpaper that you want to set on your screen. What you just need to do is start. You need to tap on the wallpaper, and when you tap on the wallpaper at the top right corner here, you need to tap on add. Right, so when this open, you want to customize the warm screen, because there's something that I want to show you right here, right? So you want to make sure right here, on this blare icon right here, you want to make sure that it is turned off. So once you make sure on that, if you tap on it, you can see it has been turned off, and you can see that your wallpaper won't be looking so nice, so you cannot see what is on the picture of the wallpaper. So you want to make sure that you turn this off. This icon right. So if you turn it off, you can see now a wallpaper is actually visible. Very clean and nice. So once you're done right here, you just need to click on done. And then if you go up into your home screen, you can see now, we now have our wallpaper is looking nice. And then you can see how it looks right here. So basically, guys, this is how you can actually change your wallpaper on an iPhone.